God, guys. Look at all the fucking snow. Four Peaks is covered. Woohoo! And the superstitions have a ton of it. Wait till I get under this bridge. Maybe you'll be able to see it. At first I thought it was clouds. But nope, it's snow. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. I can't do it. Later. Wow, that really does my heart good to see that much snow on the Four Peaks back there. Wow. Okay, better shot. Look at that. Look at that. Freaking beautiful. That's my idea of winter. So cool. Ah, fuck. Forgot it was Saturday. Just hit Renaissance traffic. I'm gonna be slow and go now for like at least 5 miles. Okay, guys, I'm seeing pretty damp roads and I see snow up there. That's Rogers Trough up there somewhere. That's the direction I'm heading. Think it's gonna be cold. Later. Okay, guys, probably gonna have to do some adjusting here. Try and set this so y'all gonna be able to see and I'm gonna be able to drive. But it's not proving to be as easy as I thought. Alright, let's see that for a minute. Lots and lots and lots of mud. Nope, we need to adjust. Fuck. Still not good. Let me get off the road here so I can try this. This is just proving to be a project. Later. Alright, we're gonna try this. I wanted to get this in place because there's some really ass-kicking mud puddles coming up. Absolutely gonna be phenomenal out here today. Seem a little bit high yet. Okay, now I got nothing but road. There we go. Let's see how that works. Lots of gun work out here today. Lots of kitties and mini quads too. Very level, but ready? Yeah! Way too much fun. Here we go. Wait. Let's sit this little pokey dude through. Ooh, it's deep. Super deep. Ready? Here we go. Yeah! Guess what? There's going to be a lot of water. I think that one wash is going to be deep. Okay, no mud for a bit. Later. So I think I might be wrong. not seeing. Oh, I guess it's got some water. Not much. Not much. Bummer. None. Like, literally none. I was hoping for door height. Oh, well. Anyway. Later. I guess you're with me for a minute because I can't shut this off. So honestly, with there being chickens. So, as I was saying, honestly, with there not being any water in that wash, that means it hasn't made it down here this far yet. But cool nonetheless. Got a really pretty view up here. Just coming around this corner. It's like, oh, look it. You can see the snow. You can see the mountains. And y'all can just see the fucking mud. Sorry. Having issues. Trying. These cold, wet temps is going to help to trigger all the cactuses to bloom. Cacti. Yeah, I need to adjust a little bit here. We're just not staying in place. Really bumpy here. I'm gonna let you go later. Little mud. Nah. Not much at all. Later. Oh, so totally forgot to tell you what the hell's going on here. Rain hard for about 36 hours. So that's why there's snow on Four Peaks. I'm out here by Hewitt Canyon looking for waterfalls. The fact that there's a little bit of snow. Let me see if I can point my camera up a little better. Sorry, hang on a minute. Can't get a shot of it. Anyhow, there's snow up at the top of the mountains here in Superstitions near the Rogers Trough Trailhead. It's not a ton of snow, but there's definitely some snow up there. So today's just a mission to find waterfalls and maybe snow. Not that I'm a big fan of snow, but you know, it only happens occasionally out here, so. Alright, later. Mud. Ready? Here we go. Yeah. That's it. Mud. Okay, you're gonna have to forgive the fucked up angle because you're on my arm thingy. Let me see if I can. There we go. Check it out. Look at the snow out there. That's where I'm headed. Crazy. Wow. Nice. Nice. Nice snow. Crazy. Yeah. That's my kind of winter. Oh man, hold on. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? You gotta love it. Look at those clouds, they're just hanging right above me. Love it, love it, love it. It is March 7th or 8th-ish. Later. Just came across a couple in a quad. I asked him if there was snow up there. He said, oh yeah, there's lots of snow up there. Okay, later guys. So, in the wash for the first waterfall, and it's not looking promising. Thinking we might see a couple puddles, but I don't think we're going to see much more than that. So if y'all remember, I think it was my last video, might have been the one before, can't link you, don't know how to do that, sorry. I was up at the top of a very, very tall waterfall. This is where that waterfall comes out. And like I said, I've climbed quite far up this waterfall to get stuck basically at the point I was at last time because it gets so steep. And I'm not a rock climber. I'm a hiker. Shit, I just realized I left my goddamn knee braces at home again. That's about my speed. Okay. Nice. Nope. We got no water. We got wet ground, damp ground. Everything that ran and didn't land on rock has completely soaked in. Thirsty ground. So it happens when you don't have rain for eons. Bummer. Well, the higher we go, the luckier we might get. Oh, there's a little seepage going on. Oh, not much. No, it's looking pretty dry. Shit. I was really hoping to see some waterfall. Oh, look. Look how sparkly this is right here. It's because there's a little seepage and a pool right here. So, that might be it for your waterfalls today. Alright, gonna head back. Later. 2025 coat of mud paint slowly being applied. Look at that. We're getting there. Later. So, just showing you a little bit how much closer I've gotten to the top of the mountains. Don't have my phone in the holder, so not gonna video. Road's pretty rough. Later. So it's crazy. I've been driving above the snow line, and I literally don't see any snow. It's crazy. Just had to show you that. Getting close to the top here. Later. Oh look! Snow! I just literally not a minute ago stopped and said I can't find any snow. And there it is. Look at that. Snow. Look at all the snow. And you literally don't hardly see it when you're driving through it. It's crazy. Beautiful out here though. Waterfalls, not happening. But cool day anyway. Later. Okay, I had to put the camera back in the rack. This is really cool with all this snow. Really digging this. And I am in really low. Trail's pretty roughy. Lots of mud. I'd love to just go flying through here, but no. Too bumpy for that. Now, I know Teresa heard this story and Dawn heard this story. I was out here one time, and you can see how rough this is. Ooh, we got water here. Wow. Cool. I was out here one time, and I think it was maybe just a little bit later in the year than this, but right in here, as I came around the corner, there was a girl coming in a car. A car. I'm not talking one of those all-wheel drive bullshit, pretend to be a four-wheel drive vehicles. This was literally a small car, like Kia, Civic. Very small little car. And all I kept thinking to me is, Jesus, I thought I was nuts. How cool. I might have to walk a little bit. See if I can catch any of the waterfalls, because up here, definitely got water flow. And that's cool. Oh, that would have just been so much fun, but nope, not doing it. Too rough. A little rough here. A little bit of a drop here. We're almost to the trailhead. So this is, yeah, literally the worst part of the trail. A few vehicles up here. Not as much as I expected to see. Where I turned left just a short time ago, you can go right. I have tried twice and chickened out both times and ended up having to do a Y turn in the trail and come back down the hill because it was too scary for me. Just couldn't do it. But here we are. The Rogers Trough Trailhead, covered in freaking snow. Oh look, somebody built a snowman. That's too funny. Or a snow something. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but cool nonetheless. I don't think I have a lot of pictures up here in the snow. Alright, I'm gonna park for a minute. Okay, not sure how much hiking I'm going to be doing. I don't actually have snow boots on. I just have my Mockies and it's really wet. but I'm gonna give it a shot. Later. So, I do hear water running, but my feet are wet already, and I just barely left the parking lot. See? It's too wet for Mockies. But they're wet now, so doesn't make much difference at this point. There's some really pretty waterfalls back here, but I know I ain't walking that far today. Too wet. But it's very weird walking out here when there's snow out here. I think this has maybe happened once before in my life. I don't know, I've got thousands and thousands and thousands of pictures and videos, and I don't know that I actually have any up here with the snow on the ground. Wow. Phew. Left my sunglasses in the car because it's been cloudy out. And of course, just as I get up here, the sun comes out blazing. And with the snow, oh my God, it's freaking blinding. Oh, yeah. Gonna have to have the heater on my feet going home. My feet are gonna be soaked. Oh well. That's life. Sure is pretty. It's definitely cold. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's just about cold enough to see my breath. Oh, shit. Oh, this is like really not good. Oh, mama. Oh, hear it? Shit, I should have went down to the water's edge. My bad. All right, we're coming back up the creek bed. I'm wet anyway, so what the fuck does it matter? All right, guys, really beautiful, but I'm gonna go back to music later. It's running, but it's so muddy. It's crazy. Look at that. Is that a picture or what? How many times in your life have you ever seen a beautiful agave sitting in snow? That's crazy. Okay. Well, this kind of sucks. My feet are wet, but fuck. I don't know if I'm up for that wet. All right. Cross your fingers I don't fall in. I made it. Oh. Craziness. All right. I see what I'm walking in. And my feet are definitely wet. Anyway, back to walking later. Well, look it. It's a waterfall. It's a teeny, tiny waterfall, but it is one. We're getting to the area where it should be pretty along the creek here. Oh, Lord. Later. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have to find my way down into there because it's real pretty right here. This is not the waterfall I was talking about, but it's really pretty right here. Let's see what we can do. so weird seeing the water so brown. Usually when I'm out here and the water's running, it's crystal clear. But I guess it's bringing all the goodness down from the mountains. Whew. Gold pan, where are ya? Nice. During monsoon season, if you come up here, you can find these little pools to play in, which is really nice because when it's, you know, in the hundreds, sometimes finding a nice little pool is fun, but they don't last very long. Okay, later. So there's a really cool little waterfall over there, and unfortunately the underbrush is crazy thick. As you can see, I tried to scope a way through it, and that right there, although there's not a lot of brush right there and there's a trail through it, it's all freaking cat claw, so I ain't doing that. But pretty little waterfall back there, can't show you. Anyhow, maybe I'll find a way down here to walk up the bank from the past it to get back to it, but not counting on it. Later. Shit. But at the bottom of this hill, there's a waterfall and it should be running. Later. Haven't been out this far on this trail in quite a while. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. Oh, you know, I never use a hiking stick because I like to have my hands free. But today I'm really wishing I'd have had brought my hiking stick because, man, oh man, this mud sucks. All right, we're almost down to the bottom. Later. Well, kind of disappointing. It's not running. Hasn't melted enough yet to run. It's seeping, but this is a really, really awesome waterfall. But currently not. This is a great little sand area down in here. When the falls are running, you can come here and walk around and play in the sand. I'm not going up there. Too slick. My feet are wet already. So, yep, waterfalling was kind of a bust. Later. Kind of a disappointed day for waterfalls, but all good still, none the same. Lots more rain coming this week. Got a couple of nice days and then it turns to shit again. So, as you can see, I'm on my way back up the freaking hill. And, yeah. I'll catch you when I get back to the Jeep unless something cool happens. Later. Well, I thought I'd try to go up alongside of the creek here and see what we see. Not sure how wise it was, but, you know, if you're pretty soaked now, really don't see the difference. It's hard to walk in here in the snow because you don't know if you're walking on rocks or mush. Look at. Okay, totally worth it. Oh, look at dead agave. Yeah, glad I did it. Let's go this way. There we go. How pretty is that? Usually it looks like that area up there, where it's all pretty and crystal clear. But there's so much mud coming down right now, it's crazy. Alright. See if I can pick and choose my way back over this without having to go all the way back from where I came. Alright, later. Got to see one of the prettier ones. So, almost back. I broke my lanyard for my wrist jumping across the last creek. So, undecided how to deal with it. I either buy a new case, which is huge probability, and literally not sure I'm going to buy a Ghost Tech, because this phone case and the last one, the first one I got was amazing. Never leaked, never had a problem with it. Only problem I had was I lost the goddamn phone that was in the case. So, got a new phone, ordered a new case, and yeah, leaks. So, sent it back, got a new case. Haven't really had the opportunity to take it in the water because I didn't get it till late in fall, and we were done kayaking already by that point. Any recommendations? I know OtterBox is supposed to be good. Ghost Tech was a bit cheaper, so might have to spend the extra money. Because lanyard's breaking. That in itself sucks ass. Because if I'd have been on the lake and that happened tied to my rope in the boat, I still would have lost my phone. So, okay. Later. Remember how much snow there was in this parking lot when I was trying to walk out? It's melting fast. I'm back to the Jeep. I grabbed a Snickers bar on the way at the gas station, and I think I'm going to take 5. I forgot to check how far I went, but give me a minute, I'll be right back. 9,650 steps. So, I'm going to say it was probably 2 miles to the waterfall, and then another 2 miles back, because I did walk up to that other one. I don't think it was a full mile, but it was probably at least a half a mile. So, anyway, later. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share on YouTube. Tiny mud. Hey, not worth it. Here's just this fascinating trail that kind of goes all the way up the side of the mountain over there. Oh, these fucking dirt bikes. He almost launched himself off the side of a cliff trying to fly past me. say. Anywho, yeah, and no, not good. Now they went down that wash, and they'll pop up around somewhere behind me again. Alright guys, later. Oh, wrong curve. I thought we had mud. My bad. Oh, we do. Coming up. A little mud. Oh, no. Good mud. Alright, here we go. Later. Almost missed it. Back up so I can do this right. Bad hill. Really fucking bad hill. Alright, that was fun. Later. Shit. Sorry, missed that one. Okay, well, now we're just gonna catch mud till we get back to the main road. We're on the back road to the trail. We just came off the trail. Now it's just playing in the mud for a little bit. Wow, did it all fucking dry up? Ah. Do not enter when flooded. Oh no, do not enter when flooded. Yeah. Those bikes were really fucking lucky they saw me coming. We're just about done there. I think that was the last one. Well, it was a nice day. And we're back to Michigan Range, where everybody just fucking shoots into the goddamn mountains. Someday, millennia from now, people are going to think they scored big in a lead mine because those hills are just fucking packed with lead from people shooting. Crazy.